Hello everyone, so I'm Kelly of the Cool Crochet Society, and today I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet. The double crochet is one of the most common stitches used in crochet, and it creates these nice long post-like stitches, and you'll find this in most stitches in crochet. So to make it, yarn over into your loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two of the loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through the last two. And that is how you make a double crochet. I'll show you again. Yarn over into your stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, so you've got three loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through two of the loops, yarn over and pull through the last two. So when your stitch is finished, you'll always have just one loop on the hook. So I'll show you one last time. Yarn over into the loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops, then yarn over and, and pull through last two loops. And there you go. Really simple to make, and it's one of the main building stitches in crochet. Use it to make things like the corner to corner stitch, very popular. The granny stitch as well, V-stitch. Those are all made using double crochets. And there you go. As always, if you would like any more tips or just crochet chat in general, come on over to my Facebook group, the Cool Crochet Society with Busy Mums. The link is in the description or the banner. Would love to see you there, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.